and welcome back to the English Buddies cast. I'm Laura, and I'm so happy to have you here with us.
And I'm Tom. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here for another episode. Laura, what is our topic for today?
Today, we are talking about an experience that almost everyone has, the first day of school.
Oh, I remember mine. It was a mix of excitement and anxiety. You ask yourself, will I make friends? Will I get lost in the new school?
Exactly. And that's why we prepared a special mini story for you today. We are going to listen to a conversation between two students, Sarah and Leo, on their first day of school. The story will teach us very useful vocabulary and phrases for new situations.
Perfect. It's a great way to learn real English by listening to a practical dialogue. And before we start, everyone, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
That's right. Now, are you ready to listen to our story? Let's imagine we are in a big school hallway.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, room 204. Where is room 204? This hallway is so long. Is it on the left or on the right? Ooh, I am definitely lost.
Hey, you look a little lost. Is it your first day here?
Oh, yes, it is. Is it that obvious? I'm trying to find my classroom.
Don't worry, everyone gets lost on the first day. This school is huge. I'm Leo, by the way.
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you, Leo. And yes, it is huge. I feel like I need a map for everything.
A map is a good idea. So, which class are you looking for? Maybe I can help.
Oh, that would be great. I'm looking for English class with Mr. Peterson in room 204.
Room 204? Oh, I know where that is. It's on the second floor, near the library. You are on the first floor right now.
The second floor. Oh, no wonder I couldn't find it. Thank you so much.
No worries at all. So, what's your schedule like after English?
Let me check my schedule. After English, I have math and then lunch. What about you?
I have history and then lunch too. Hey, you have art with Mrs. Davis in the afternoon, right?
Yes, I do. How did you know?
I saw your name on the class list. I'm in that class too. I love drawing.
Me too. That's my favorite subject. That's so cool. At my old school, I was in the art club.
Really? This school has an amazing art club. They meet on Wednesdays. You should come.
That sounds awesome. I would love that. It's nice to know someone in my class already. I was a little nervous this morning.
I understand. I was nervous too. Hey, the bell for class is going to ring soon. Do you want me to show you where room 204 is?
Would you? That would be perfect. Thank you, Leo.
Of course. It's this way. After class, I'm heading to the cafeteria for lunch. Want to join me? We can find a table together.
Sure. I'd like that a lot.
Great. Well, let's go. The stairs are right here.
And we're back. What a nice story, Tom. It was great to see Leo helping Sarah.
Yes, the story was very nice. Sarah was lucky, and their conversation was full of words and phrases our listeners can use.
Exactly. So let's break down some of that useful vocabulary. The first useful phrase is what Leo said to Sarah. He said, "You look a little lost."
You look a little lost. That's a very kind way to offer help, right?
It is. It's much friendlier than asking, "Are you lost?" It's a soft and kind way to start a conversation with someone who needs help.
Great tip. And then Sarah said, "Let me check my schedule."
Yes, a schedule is your list of classes and their times. And the phrase, "let me check," is super useful when you need a moment to find information. You can use it for anything. Let me check my phone, or let me check my bag.
I see. Let me check. And when Sarah said thank you, Leo replied, "No worries."
Right. No worries is a very common and informal way to say, "You're welcome," or "It's okay." It's very friendly and relaxed.
I like that one. It sounds more relaxed than "you're welcome."
It does. And another one was when Leo invited Sarah to the art club. She said, "That sounds awesome."
Awesome. I love that word. It means amazing, great, or very cool.
Exactly. When you say, "That sounds awesome," you are showing a lot of excitement about an idea. It's a great way to give a positive response.
And finally, at the end, Leo asked, "Want to join me?"
Yes, this is a short, simple, and very common way to invite someone to do something with you. Want to join me for lunch? Or want to join our group?
These phrases are really useful. They are small, but they make a big difference in sounding more natural.
They really do. Now, let's see if our listeners were paying close attention to the story. It's quiz time. I will ask 3 questions about the story. Tom, are you ready to play?
I'm always ready for a quiz. Let's do it.
Okay, listeners, you can think of your answer or write it in the comments below. Question number 1. Why was Sarah looking at her paper in the hallway? A. She was reading a book. B. She was lost and checking her schedule. C. She was doing her homework.
I know this one. She was definitely lost.
Exactly. The correct answer is B. She was lost and checking her schedule. She said, "Where is room 204?" Well done.
Okay, what's next?
Question number 2. What is the favorite subject that Sarah and Leo have together? A. English. B. Math. C. Art.
This is easy. It's the class they got excited about.
You are right. The answer is C. Art. They both loved to draw and talked about the art club.
Perfect. Last question.
Okay, question number 3. What does Leo invite Sarah to do after English class? A. Go to the library. B. Join him for lunch. C. Go home.
At the end of the story, he invited her to the cafeteria. So the answer is B.
Yes, that's correct. The answer is B. join him for lunch. Great job, Tom! And how did you do at home? Share your answers in the comments.
That was a fun quiz and a very helpful episode, Laura.
I'm glad you think so. Today, we learned some great phrases from Sarah and Leo's story that you can use when you are in a new place or meeting new people.
Yes, we learned how to offer help politely by saying, "You look a little lost," and how to respond to "thank you" with "no worries."
We also learned how to show excitement with "that sounds awesome," and how to invite someone with "want to join me?"
They are like little keys that open big doors in communication.
That's a beautiful way to put it, Tom. And a great tip for all our listeners. Try to listen to Sarah and Leo's story one more time. The second time, you will understand even more.
Great advice. Thank you all so much for listening. We hope you enjoyed our mini story today. Don't forget to share this episode with a friend who is also learning English.
Thank you for joining us today, everyone. It was wonderful to have you here. We will see you in our next episode.
Until then, keep practicing your English. Bye for now.
Take care.